Today we will discuss about drop-down list. Drop-down list is one of the function in data validation option and it can allow users to select the option from a list of choices. With the help of drop-down list, we can minimize the mistakes and speed up the data entry work. We can use this option with formula and without formula. In this short video, we will discuss both with formula and without formula. Please watch video till then so that you can able to understand the content of the video. This is Veeru, you are watching my channel Excel Tutorials. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos on Excel. Here we have this data. Based on this data, we can easily learn how to use drop-down list. An employer wants to do survey on employees saying that how many employees are willing to come to office on Saturday or not. Here we have this 15 employees. Here that 15 employees opinion are different, so it may not be the same. So if we give not giving drop down list, without a drop down list, he will enter whatever is there in his mind, like this. If you want to say yes, he will give yes. If you want to say yes, he will give yes, and he will say no. Someone will give I will come. Someone will say no, I will not come. Like that, he will give whatever the whatever is there in his mind. He will give the sentence like this. We will fill this data. Like that, he can give. So if you refresh this data, so here out of 15 out of 15 employees, he may not consolidate easily how many of them are willing to come to office and how many of them will not willing to come to office. It is very difficult, and employee has to spend some time to consolidate this. If you are using drop-down list, we can restrict the user preferences, whether he is willing to come to office or not. So with the help of drop-down list, so first you go to the cell wherever you want to put a drop-down list. Then go to data menu and select data validation tab and go to this. Here you select list, and here we with the drop-down list we can use, as I said earlier, we can use data validation with formula and without formula. First we will do without formula. So you can give the options, whatever the options you want to give, you can give, and it should be separated with comma. If you give comma, it will come in next line. So I given 3 options: yes, no, maybe. So once you click on yes, once you click on this icon, it will give you yes, no, maybe. So we can restrict the user options like yes or no. It will be straight answers, so no confusions will be there. But we have to select this data and delete. So here, and this it is there, you can give whatever you want. So total all 15 employees are given their remarks. So once you refresh data here, so here the result given very fastly. So out of 15 employees, 6 employees are willing to come. 6 employees are not willing to come. 3 employees are maybe situation. He may come, he may not come. So like this, The result is very easily, we can no need to spend much time on it. If you are not using drop down list, here he has to spend some time to consolidate the data, data, so that if you use the drop down list, it will save lot of time to consolidate the result. And also system will not allow to do go manually. We will see what system will give you the message. If you give no, I don't want, so here system will throw one message saying that the value entered is not valid, since it is the value whatever you entered, it is not there in that list. That's why it is saying a user has a restricted value that can be entered into this cell. So whatever the fields you are entering, whatever the characters you are entering in that cell, that what it is saying, it is restricted by some values. You have to select that only. It is saying that error message. We can customize this error message in our way also. We will see that one also. So go to data validation and select this option. So here we have error alert. We can have three options here. One is for stop, one is for warning, and one is for information. Stop will force stop the entry. System will not allow to go for not allow to go further. But warning message is just a warning message. If you enter also, it will give you the message, warning message, and it will go further. System will allow to go further. Stop. So you can customize this message saying that select from list. Once you press the enter, so if you give anything, so system will throw a message said select from list. Like that, even error message also we can give whatever we want. So now we see without formula. Now we will see with formula. So there is no data validation. Now whatever the options you want, first you have to give here maybe, then go to the cell whatever you want, wherever you want, select, go to data menu and select the data validation, and here you have to select list, and here you have to source is you can select the options wherever it is there in the same sheet, and click on S. So once it is there, here the options, it will come here. Again you can select, copy and paste remaining cells. If you refresh this, so here we can get the data. So out of 15 employees, 4 employees are willing to come, 6 employees are not willing to come, 5 employees are in maybe situation. The result outcome of this survey, it came very easily if you are using data validation, data list, drop down list. So in that data drop down list, we have only one options, one filter is there. What if we have more filters in the same drop down list? That we have to do dependent drop down list. In next video we will cover the topic, so please do watch next video. It is dependent drop down list. Hope this video will helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos on Excel like this. If you give like and comment on my videos, it will reach more users, and our channel also will spread a lot. Please do encourage me and to go further. Thank you very much.